Hello, welcome to part 5 of the tutorial for Tetris game on Java. Okay, in the last time I showed you how to prevent the Saber go outside from outside the left and the right of the board and stop the Saber off the bottom and control and some control for the Saber. And today I will do something more. Especially I will group the code of the shaper, all the code for a special shaper in a shaper class, and then I will need more shapers, so we can update them in the future. And I will update the collision for the shaper. So in the previous video we just prevent the shaper. We just stop the shaper when it go outside of the left and the right and the bottom of the board. And today we will update the collision with all the shaper, right? And then of course we will create a new shaper when after the previous shaper reaches the bottom or reaches all the get collision with others and stop it. Okay, and let's continue. Before I do the list of things I said that before. I need to group all the things in here to okay, here to I'm sorry, here I will copy all of this and create a new method. The name is update and put all the code here, right? And just call the update here. Alright, then I will create a new class named shaper. Okay, a shaper represent for a shaper for in the board. When you as a shaper just mean this red shaper, and so when we group them, group all the code or the update method in a shaper class, so we can easier to we can get easier to edit and change it in the future. Okay, alright, so for the shaper we'll copy the right shaper, alright, we'll copy all of code here and put them to the shaper class. And the update, well, we copy all this to the shaper. We will create a public void update. Okay, I'll just update and put them. Alright, and for the shaper here we need to create a shaper array for that. We will in and two-way, and we will put the name in chorus. So this name in my code before in the description video, so description you can see my code, and so I need to put a name is similar with that, so you can follow easier. Okay, and for the code I will create a constructor for the shaper, the parameter for the code, right, and put the code. Okay, and for here we change it by the code. Another. Okay, and in the board I will shape color shape. Oh, I'm sorry. Create a class, an object shaper, and new shaper. We change this. We change it to 1 and 1 represent for the red color, and the 0 the represent for the black, for nothing. Okay, change the definition for the class, the integer. Okay, and put the shaper. Okay, the shaper 1, put them to the parameter here. Alright, and then in here I will call shaper and update. Alright. Okay, something wrong. Alright, with pen I will copy this and go to shaper, write a similar method like render, and with the parameter graphic. Okay, and pattern. Alright, for the graphic we will import the graphic identity, and for the shaper we will do the same thing by call the colors object here and put. Alright, there's something wrong here. Alright, for the color, yes, I will set the color default for all the object. For temporary I will set all object to the color red. Alright, and we will change it in the future. Okay, here just for now be by the 0. Alright, and the board here we will call the shaper and render, and put the graphic parameter to here. Okay, for the key press, alright, for delay time and faster, and go left, and alright, go left and go right, and speed down. Okay, I forgot the method in my old code. I will use. Okay, for and speed up. Right, just put the code here. Delay time is fast, and for the normal we put the code speed down. Okay, and for the go for left and right, just go similar for void, and go move right. Move right, and for the left, just equal and left. Alright, and of course we change code here. We can save and speed up. Alright, speed up, yes. And here shaper, move right, and here shaper move left, and last one shaper speed down. Alright, let's run it again. Alright, perfect. So we organizes the code of movement and update something, but especially is update the shaper to the shaper class. So you can see after we do that, the code, our code is shorter and easy to see, easy to watch, and easy to read. Okay, and then do something. Alright, then I will need more the shaper and more shaper. Alright, I need more shaper and do something. Alright, I will go to the old code and copy them for faster, and then save the time. It's easy to understand, so just copy it and district game and short and gray and board. Alright, so in my older code you can see here for all the shaper for this game, and this okay for the shaper in the code we use here, we just put only one shape. For here it is shape 1, and okay, in the full code you can see I have an array of shaper, and yes, we need to copy it. For you, I think you need to you need to write them for to understand deeper. Alright, and of course here's Saber. Alright, here I just use the shape. Right, new shaper array with okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, 7 shape, and for here shape with the color. Alright, with the color alright, copy my old code, and for the color, and the color here is just an array for set a particular color for an object shape, and it will random will when you will play the game. Okay. Saber and course, and in the Saber constructor we will write another parameter like this color. Alright, just put them here, and then in put a color here. Oh, something wrong with this. Tetris shape. Alright, something wrong here. Shaper. Oh, I'm sorry. I put the board in here, so we need to put another parameter that the board. We will use it in the future videos. So. Alright. So now we have auto shaper, and so now next we will use it. Use them to for the next shaper every after you stop the current shaper. Right here I will just use right for shaper and current shaper, just one. Alright, just assign a value for it by the shaper 0. Alright, and for raw pattern here. Okay, and run it again. Right, because the shaper here, shaper 0 is just a line with 4 cells, and then we will when the shaper is stopped, right, when collision is returned, so we will do something, and what will we do if the collision appear? Yes, when collision appear, we need to right, collision, right, we will when collision I will right, okay, collision I will for if a collision appear, I will jet the I will I will fill the color of the shaper to the board. So to do that, we need to check, right, go through the array by for loop from round less than the course length for round and round plot, and for the column another loop less than the code, and yes, the first column, and length call plot, and I will check if the call row and column not equal, different with the 0, and then I will check again for the alright, not check again if it not equal 0 mean the shape appear here, and we need this is the color, not the black, not a black color, so we need to fill the color to the board. So we will call the board, and the board we assign we need to right for the board here. We need to create a port parameter board and assign value from the parameter in the constructor. I'm sorry, board call board. Alright, and board get, sorry, we go to the board and we need to create a method that return the board matrix here. So so then we can update that board, calling color, right, color 2A, and get the board, just return the board. Alright, return to the shaper and get the board here, and then we will start the board in matrix. So we need to set every index of the board by y. Y is the position of the shaper, so we need to plug y to fill correct the cell on the board, and draw, and also s plus column equal the color. The color is the one that we put in the constructor. It represents for the color of the shaper, and it will get random from the board update when every time we get the next shaper. Alright, here we will the color, right, for here the color here. Alright, I need to format this code. Alright, must be ready, and then alright, run it again. Oh, something wrong with this. Alright, 19. I'm sorry for this mistake, because in the board here I just put the wrong side for the board matrix. So for the height we need to put here for number of row, and here for the number of column, that the width. Alright, so because we do that, we need to change the method draw on the board, and because if we don't change, alright, Oh, well, I change it. And hey and width and alright. Oh, okay. Because I draw the board um, dependent on the board width and the board height, and here I draw correctly without relative with the board matrix, so the code is correct. Alright, and then continue with the code with the shaper, and here you can note it. You can command for it, draw. Alright, fill the color for board. Right, and when we fill the color on the board, after that we will need to yes, we need to call the net shaper, right? We need to set the current shaper, again, and in the board we will write a method set current shaper. Alright, and in this we just set the current shaper by something in in the array we define it here. Maybe we can get the shaper Saber, right? Shaper 1 for the next, and the board, and in the shaper I will call the board and set current shaper. When it's set current shaper, I need to set the current shaper with the S. Alright, I need to go to shaper and define some method for getter setter and set S and S. This is called S. Alright. S. Sorry, void. And the same thing, set Y, and okay. In the board we need to set S for maybe 4, and for the Y we need to 0. So why we need to reset that? Because we just use 7 objects, so every time we get a new object we just resume the object here. We don't new an object, so it will not good. So we need to just resume, and before we resume the shaper here, so maybe the S and the Y is different, so we need to reset it to make sure it will appear on the top of the board and the middle of the board. Alright, run it. Alright. Oh, I just guessed something wrong. maybe 1. Wow, I get an error. So of course, we reset all of the attribute in the shaper, also the collision, because we use the shaper, so the shaper the collision is true, so it stop here. And maybe I will the method name reset, and here I will put all the thing 84 and this y0 and collision is false. Alright, and the board I just call reset. Alright, let's see why the board is not filled. Alright, go to the Saber and see something. Board, get the board equals color, maybe the color equal no. Go to the color, I put the color to every shaper. So why right? Not because the color is no. Okay, just because we didn't draw the cell that get another color. Here we just draw the board, not draw the shaper that fill it on the board. So we need to draw them. We go 4, yes, for the on the right. Okay, copy for faster. Alright, and you can see we just go through all the cell and check if the board cell is different with none, we will draw it. Just set color with the board color and fill direct with that. Okay, for here get the board, the block size, outside, and get ready. Alright. So yeah, I need to in this view I need to update the collision with all the shaper, but because this video is so long, so I need to stop here and see you the next video. If you like the video, please click the like and click the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.